Me not, Aunty Donna, the amount of blood clot contribution I get for food. Your face look like when blood clot. Your face tough. Hey. You can't come style me. So big up yourself, have a wonderful day. And may God go with you. But you tell the people them say me bad mind. Me no bad mind as soul. Enough time you get money. You see Aunty Donna, God don't like ugly. People get things and flourish. Mother blood clot charity you get and go build a house. I never build a house out of charity yet. I wine for mine. Yo, you better love me a bumbuckler alone, yeah, man. Look what people say about your price, but I try a hero. You don't want to make a big statement for no sell more ticket. And me, so I'm going to make a big thing about I just to sell more ticket.
I post your business. And that's why it hurt me so. Because I have not one dirty inch of jealousy ready in our bad mind for you. So when you hear them I say, you have to tap post people page because I see you big him up in our day and sing come out on your ticket. Oh, my ticket reaching on your conversation.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But there's a few trending topics I see popping down so that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. With that being said, let's kick it off with Dancehall King Vybz Kartel and his concubines, because as you can see, him and Lisa adds Hypers at it again. You see me? I said, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, and she's flinging something heavy and some heavy shades. As you can see, she says, vibing with the teach. Ooh, vex. Well, we know she and Sidem is cool and she and Sally Ann is cool. So the people them, you know, is saying Shorty, and you know, some people is saying Sidem. You know what I mean? As you can see, some people is mentioning Spice as well because of the mix-up business, you know, with Spice and the Angel performing for Cartel the concert, you see me? But we know Spice now give Cartel no pum pum, you see me? So it could be Vanessa Bling or Shorty. But when I start giving them an update what I go on from what to go on shade is throwing. But as you can see with the screenshot I showed to the people them saying that she's back. Lisa Hyper speaking to being Vybz Kartel puppy. Okay people, time for the bagger and mix up with Real Dawg and Aunty Donna. As you can hear, it's not good. As you know, Aunty Donna always has type of mix up when it comes to her cake sales and type of thing. You know what I mean? If you can remember from Nicki Chroma's days, you see it. I know, I guess she and World Boss entangled in some drama. So let's hear what he has to say about the situation, and then we'll hear what she has to say, and then we'll proceed with our honest opinion.
Me not, Aunty Donna, the amount of blood clot contribution I get for food. Your face look like when blood clot. Your face tough. Hey, yo, you better love me a bumbuckler alone, yeah, man. Look what people say about your price, but I try a hero. You don't want to make a big statement for no sell more ticket. And me, so I'm going to make a big thing about I just to sell more ticket. Bumbuckler. You dance like a me. The amount of blood clot contribution I get for buy and make up, for buy food and fix people plate. You should take you and go get your blood clot jammer license. May you done the same. Aunty Donna, you have nothing over me. May you done the blood clot same way. The two of we done like a bat. So I don't have to cuss off nothing. The two of we done like a bat. But me never say anything bad. Me never say anything bad. Two of we done so like, so two of we in the same boat. When you carry message, you give Aunty Donna and you carry message good. But Aunty Donna, me never come beg out none of your food, them out wish for you a big charity for. You can't come style me. So big up yourself, have a wonderful day. And may God go with you. But you tell the people them say me bad mind. Me no bad mind as soul. Enough time you get money. You see Aunty Donna, God don't like ugly. People get things and flourish. Mother blood clot charity you get and go build a house. I never build a house out of charity yet. I wine for mine. You feel out a Shamshark Square. Yeah. I saw no big woman who don't want respect and I don't want to give nobody. Move your ugly face on board. You're rubbish. You're rubbish. If you follow your rubbish, you should sing. Auntie Donna, you never buy a soap in a blood clot Florida yet. But one can sell ticket for $150. You never buy a soap in a Florida yet. You Auntie Donna. I want to come over here and sell ticket and I buy a ticket for your blood clot. If I did me a foot and I'm poil. You know, Ramesh now have nothing to do with me now. Because Natty Ramesh never like me. I book Valiant and Ramesh, and Valiant cancelled the show about two blood clot week before that. So Ramesh never bust me now half of me a contract. That's why I face this so I can't tell anybody about them pussy hole. Move on the pussy hole and go. You hold on in a Ramesh. Ramesh entertainment to the move on the pussy hole and go. Oh shit pit when you think could be. Auntie Donna, you never buy a soap over here yet. And boy you walk out sell ticket for $100. Move your blood clot. I'm not top cussing. Where? Put on my top on my blood clot here. When you see me like I went toilet bong. But everything you say out your mouth, I don't care. But very people on this app I love. I see you dancing and I died of blood clot care. If you know who I ramp with, I don't care. You not feel love me. You not feel love me, not like me. When I don't love me, not like me, I can't do no care. You lose me. Where your brother at? Come.
God, that's a big car.
Yeah, dog. Mate, anybody there on the live, dog, and say, well, Auntie Donna do just so ago was not called for that because I didn't say nothing bad about Auntie Donna, bro. On the day I don't laugh over there like everything funny, bro. I don't laugh about that, bro, because I didn't say nothing to disrespect her. I never said nothing towards her. And she's somebody gonna give her the message. And you give her the message wrong. You give her the message wrong, but they all of them talk how they want to feel. You see me? Team me 111. Team me a banter now come suck my cock when me just done fuck. Come suck my cock when it just done fuck. Come suck it. Come suck it up. And suck Azir shit when he just done blood class shit. And come out from a page shit pit. But Bantan event. Bantan your blood clot event in a little boy. Me can't Bantan your event in a little boy. Hey girl, come suck my cock here, man. Come off of this here, man. I have Ramesh come on this and tell me if you tap and run Ramesh off of this bumbo clot. And now Ramesh come over and tell me if you tap and run him off of this post wall. You run entertainment, yeah. You don't run this a blood clot live, yeah. So make a careful on that talk. Careful. Okay. Oh, Todd, I'm bright. Oh, Todd, I'm bright. Yeah. Poor boy, blood clot. Dog, I call Ramesh, I say Ramesh. As a big woman, Auntie Donna go on, so yeah, Ramesh say she feels some type of way away. So I say, Ramesh, what did I say? And I tell Ramesh. Ramesh said, so that the people never really go tell back Auntie Donna. Me call Ramesh for my dead mama life. And Ramesh say, I really that the people them go call back Auntie Donna. I say. So it come like the people them go tell Auntie Donna more than what me say. So it's like when me call Ramesh, now Ramesh I say, she a cuff. She feels some type of way. When me tell Ramesh, me say, Ramesh I said, dog, that you really say? Ramesh himself a big hypocrite. Ramesh, you're hypocrite with a big blood clot belly not himself. You're all hypocrite to Ramesh. You're blood clot hypocrite. Ramesh, you're hypocrite too. I curse you too. You're hypocrite to Ramesh. Your blood clot not the hypocrite self. Boy, you check over there. I true you're talking a baby mother. Boy, you check over there and your chat just going crazy. You know what blood clot go on. You mix up to the not the blood clot self. Yeah. From baby mother say she see something she see. I true Ramesh now with me from day one for real too. Pretend to. Yeah. Ramesh move your not need blood clot and go. I'm gonna get up and bathe, you can't look good still. I'm gonna get up and bathe, you still look good. Yeah, from being mother says she see what she see. Cause me call him when Auntie Donna they live, you know, me call Ramesh, me say Ramesh. You know what, me turn on my live and go this Auntie Donna, you know. But when me just pre-level, you are tell me if you calm down and don't make you get the best of them. But look how much people have respect for Auntie Donna. You never tell her if you calm down or in her live. Me just a pre to, you know. You are tell me say, don't lose my respect for Auntie Donna, but Auntie Donna over there respect, I lose respect for herself. Ramesh, you know, so I understand, say, like, una user. Una want big blood clot user. Me notice now. Me know me just a get to my senses. Because me call you and me and say, oh, the big woman a go on so. And you are going to turn to me and say, don't follow them and let down your thing. But you know when you Ramesh, where you love money and love your team. You now go put your team over me. So this is a plan for real. Me, I totally short. So, when you over on my phone, I tell me, say, don't follow Auntie Donna. A planting. Because me know say you not take your time out. Yeah, you need to put all that energy in your cake. We are top of people throat. Boy, you cook syrup cake. I mean, who make syrup in your grace. So that means that the indoor sit there. I'll be a free product again. Right now, every day they are foreign public killer with blood clot expire food. Me say you're putting teeth. Me say, Auntie Donna, me say you're putting teeth like a cock. Auntie Donna, me say you're putting teeth like a cock. No. Hotter than bright. Dog, big man thing, bro. Bro, if anybody did that on the live, dog, I didn't want to say nothing bad, dog. I said the whole of Fort Lauderdale people them a kill up themselves over Miss Donna ticket, but won't support the one people them. What did I say bad to her about her things? Me not banter on her event. I same thing me say about BRT. Every year me say about sons. You never hear sons man them come and say nothing. Every year me keep my party, me keep sons. When you go to sons and pay up no money. I me tell about my bad mixture. I want to come a bad mixture content up by gate. Why Miss Donna take you but you have a cake sale? But remember, we dilute your cake with look of water. Auntie Donna dumb. Me send go buy one cake when you come up here and review your cake, you know. Auntie Donna, you don't want that. Me I try to tell you will be shame. And Ramesh them can't fight against me because I don't need nothing from Jamaica. Foreign me live. Foreign my blood clot live. So I not keep no sponsorship. Much years me I ask Ramesh to keep blood clot bad mixture yard. When you think I never want to do it, Ramesh doesn't have no time for me. Ramesh come on TikTok and sign all DJ over me. I whole heap of time me set up and tough up them people that thing, bro. Ramesh never offer me a contract yet. And me boss myself. Nobody no boss me. And me run. Here woman to know over there no. With your face favor your bottom of your pudding. Here her to know. With her face favor your bottom of your pudding them when she make. You're there on TikTok a wine and people calling you all type of name. And I never say anything. But my favorite is Rebel. And Rebel all on in a one blood clot team. My favorite is Rebel and everything and this and that and Ray. Somebody say, hear me. Hear me. Hear me. Hear me. Hear Miss Donna over there chalk up the on her chest. You come here, you come to talk about your food. You're gonna lie and an interstellar. Auntie Donna, if you never want nothing, just a while ago when you chat, you turn on your thing on Facebook like what you normally do. I give you one pan tick like everybody else, but you use style. So you know what you say I go to know, you're going to cost me for 1 2 bills. Because now I don't see no big gift over there, be a rose. You cost me for rose and heart. I hope when I have a cake sale, 1,700 people come out there too. And me tell Ramesh, say, I am going to answer you. Me tell Ramesh, say, I'm going to answer you. Even when in the on the phone, I come talk about, how you know see good things are going for you. Yes, good things are going for me, but people like hypocrite like Uno tear me down. Yeah, I see him, so me say, ask him, I see him, so me say to him on the phone. Me say, good things are going for me, but hypocrite people like you and Miss Donna tear me down. Me say, me I watch Miss Donna like she have a slight resemble Wingy. Me don't know she favor Wingy to me. She have one look a slight resemblance to Wingy. Yeah, give me this Wingy look. Me tell you know, me don't want nobody ramp with me in the dark. I don't see nobody ramp with them. I just stay in my look world for the time there, bro. You understand? I just stay in my look world for the time there, bro. Let me tell you this, bro. A month and time I struggle. I'm pretty up things, bro. None of them no look out for me, dog. I look out for myself over here, so. I want to know enough time I come and give them props. And give all of them props. I don't care who want love me, bro. And let me say this again. I don't care who want love me or who want show me respect. You understand what I say? Yeah, dog. You know when I comment on our live and anybody over there see, me say, when you're talking now, I'm blessed. And when you don't talk, me still I go bless. And that's something see it, brother. Because you get it too wrong. And I call Ramesh, and Ramesh still not explain to the woman what me say. Because who don't want to the ticket sell. I see me book Ramesh artist in a dog and 2 days before a week, you know. Everybody else pay half of this deposit and I pay me full amount of money. And I print flyers and everybody think artists are come. And 2 weeks later, I'm gonna make up this whole bag of story and give me Ramesh. And I take a story around with and give me. Because of me. If anybody else wanna tell me say a dog have show, double show up on the 9th. I watch the artist page the whole day till the 9th. The artist don't post the flyers. The artist don't go up on a show. The artist don't do nothing. When you know what to do, a man page you in a photo day and say era link with enemy. Era is an enemy. I wanna take him man off of my show. I could have come tell thousands of people that I lose so much money. When man pay.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think of what he's saying so far. Because you know I'm not done. Just what I said, but we're going to put the rest of what he's saying on the Dancehall Story channel. Because he went in on basically everybody in the industry. You see what I said. But let's hear what Auntie Donna is saying in response to, you know, World Dog acting up and in his feelings. You see it.
I post your business. And that's why it hurt me so. Because I have not 1 dirty inch of jealousy ready in our bad mind for you. So when you hear them I say, you have to tap post people page because I see you big him up in our day and sing come out on your ticket. Oh, my ticket reach in your conversation world, dog. Oh, my ticket reach on your platform for you gonna talk about me something. Miss Donna keep run through 150, you never hear ticket there, so. But that you know fi stop bantan people business. People are keep them ticket, show or whatever them a keep on your more than the Planka Nation. And me have enough for them. Eh? Uno fi stop it. Stop. If you see one TikToker get this, uno see one too long and bad mind, the man never tap till uno get them where. Because uno feel like say them not fi rise above uno, or them not fi make no more money than uno, and that's how uno do with people business. I saw uno stay over here upon the app, you know. Uno no want to see nobody get the corrose, nobody get the kufu. Uno start carry feelings in uno self, and uno start cuss that one there, uno start cuss that one there, and uno never tap till when uno done them page vanish off for TikTok because red eye and greed take uno over for one another. Uno fi stop it. When I know uno dey on the forefront, nobody else nothing anybody page. You have your things them where you keep. Me a all man, when you take up my event now and I talk about it for World Dog, me ever see you put up nothing yet and go take it down. Why Jamaican when them say people a do something? Me never call your name yet, you know, me see all your business last year, me share it on my page. And because I'm so proud of you and commend you. So when you take up my flyer now, I come talk about 150 for your plate of food. I bet I mean stop you from put up food truck out the door, put it up out there and we sell it for you tomorrow. We ask people to go buy it. Me never invite nobody over here but Planka. The flyer say Planka Nation. You know what that mean? Me do one of them. A Planka Nation it name. Not TikTok Nation or World Dog fans. Every time when I see Jamaican I do something, I always want to come tear it down. Fans. Every time when I see Jamaican and bad men, I never see you get your gift them and come out, come say nothing. Me no come on social media, come beg TikTokers. Me no come on here, come beg likes. Anytime when you see me over here beg, I must see somebody. Me no take nothing from nobody. When them offer me for my birthday, 1,000 them bribe me. And me no take it, ask them. And anything when me I keep them come out. I never see you yet. Most as Chibada rub me left, right, and center. Me ever talk to me respect him and me always like watch him. And then the live there you will see me pan and now click pan it for you see me. Me never ever see you live and go pan it go trouble you. So we bring out me flyer now for. It did say any other nation, it's a Planka Nation.
And again, to hear what World Dog is saying, you know, the longer video, go up on my Dancehall Story channel. That's over. That's a straight mix up and bag run here, so you know, entertainment news, music reviews, and things. You see my says. So like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.